Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. So let's quickly take a look at this logarithm problem, see how we can solve it very quickly, applying the rules of logarithm that we learned in our previous video. And the question says we should find x given this logarithm equation. So very quickly, it's easy to identify that our bases are common, so we don't have to do much work. Since we have a common base, addition can be changed to multiplication. So I would have log x minus 1 would now multiply. It would multiply x plus 1, right? Yes, and this is a common base of 2. So this whole thing is equal to 3. So addition has been replaced with multiplication. So that this base, if I want to remove logarithm, I will just use this base and raise this power up. Then logarithm will disappear. I'll be left with just this. So I'll have x minus 1 times x plus 1, which becomes 2 to power 3. So if we expand this, you have this times this. Remember, this is difference of two squares. When you have something like this, the answer can just be x squared minus 1, right? From this side. But let me expand so that it will be clear to some of us. So let's expand together. So this times this is x squared. This times this is plus x. This times this is minus x. This times this is minus 1, which is equal to 2 raised to power 3, which is 8. So I have x squared. Now this would go because plus and minus would cancel. Then I have x squared minus 1 equal to 8. So I have x squared equal to 8 plus 1. Then I have x squared equals 9. So what is x going to be? X is going to be plus or minus the square root of 9. And x is going to be plus or minus 3. So my x is either plus 3 or negative 3. And that is the solution to this problem. So I believe this concept is clear to us. So if you have, of course, if you check, okay, let's quickly see. If I use minus 3, I have minus minus, which would not go. So it means my solution would just be, I will take just x. X as what now? As just the positive part, so that this would work. So I believe it's clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share with 10 of your friends. Tell them this is Prime Concept. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.